Welcome to What Car Should You Buy, where we give real people real advice on buying a car. Carolyn thought she had a forever car with her 2015 Toyota RAV4, but she ended up with a bad transmission and now she needs something new. She wants a crossover with good reliability, a decent amount of space, and a backup camera. With a budget of 20 grand, what should she buy? Carolyn, I'm sorry. I know you thought you were gonna avoid all these troubles by buying a Toyota. But every now and again we get it done. That's why I'm gonna recommend something completely different from your Toyota. That's right, we're talking about Buicks. Here's the thing. Buicks are largely bought by older customers, and that's good for you in the used market because older people don't drive as many miles and they don't beat up on their cars like us young whippersnappers do. And like most domestic brands, Buicks depreciate way faster than their Japanese competitors, meaning you can likely get a screamin' deal on a nearly new Buick that was traded in with barely any miles on the clock. Here's what I recommend: a lightly used Buick Envision. It's a mid-size crossover, it's comfortable, it's got all-wheel drive, it's got the backup camera that you want. This should be everything you need in a family car. At your $20,000 budget, you can find a Buick that's a little newer with a bit fewer miles than a comparable Toyota or Honda. I took a quick look and I found a bunch of 2017, 2018 Buick Envisions with under 100,000 miles, well beneath your $20,000 budget. So let's put that dud of a Toyota in the past and get your future in a Buick. But don't forget the pre-purchase inspection. It's a must on any used car to find little problems lurking under the hood. For more car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com.